popping queens, how are you doing? I hope you're popping. Guys, thank you so much for always tuning in, for the love. We appreciate you guys. Beauticianchic Studio appreciate you guys. All of us, myself, my team, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Today you all, I'm going to be doing install and my makeup, quick makeup and install. And I'm going to be using hair from Tinashe Hair, okay? Ta-da! Tinashe Hair. Oh yes, you guys have seen me use Tinashe Hair a lot of times on this channel. Link to Tinashe Hair is going to be in the description box. Tinashe, yes. Link to Tinashe Hair is going to be in the description box. So open the description box to buy your one. Tinashe Hair is beautiful. You guys are going to see for yourself. I don't need to say a lot. Okay, so let's see what's inside. What have we got here? Ta-da! Okay, so we've got accessories in this one. So we've got this clip, lashes, bonnet, you know, brush and wig cap, people. So we've got the accessories. So when you buy Tinashe Hair, do not worry about any accessory. They will give you accessories, okay? Yes. Now in this box we have the hair. Yes, the wig itself. So let's see. So that's the wig, people. And also how you can care for their hair. And you can also follow them on Instagram, Facebook, you know, and on YouTube, okay? Tinashe Hair. So yes, that's it. It's a frontal wig, people. Look at that. Frontal wig is this chocolate color, beautiful chocolate color. Like, look at that, guys. Oh my God, this hair is gonna look poppy. Let's see the frontal. That's it. That's the frontal. You see how beautiful the frontal is? So beautiful. You know, you don't need to do a lot. Nice baby hair and all that. Look at the body wave, people. I might need to pluck it a little bit, but if you don't know how to pluck hair, all you need to do is to apply foundation and you're good to go. Okay, so it's really long as well. Its long is 22 inches, people. So I'm going to create a side part, pluck the hair a little bit, you know, tongue it, and then we will be back. Hey! So guys, we are back with Tinashe Hair. Tinashe, woo! Archived nicely. Look at this. It's popping. So yeah, now I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. I think I'm not gonna be talking when I'm doing my makeup. I will just quickly do my makeup, then I'm gonna come back when I'm doing the install. Okay? This is the finished look. Something simple, okay, but it's popping. So guys, I've applied powder underneath. So we're gonna put it on. Ta-da! Need to get the mirror. is the final look. Like I said, link to Tinashe Hair is where in the description box. You guys, you know me very well. I don't like when my hair is tight coiled. When it's tight coiled, it doesn't suit me. I like when my hair is like all over the place. Or when I coil my hair, I just like to just mess it about. Like, so I just look like I just wake up, you know. So yeah. So this is the final look. I think I need to mess it up more. Yeah, like so. Oh my god, yeah, like so. So just look like you just wake up. Yeah, that's it. Yes, girl, that is it. Yeah. So that's the final look. I don't know, you guys comment down below. Do you like tight coils? A lot of people like tight coils. Some of my, when I do clients, like my Nigerian aunties, yeah, when I do them, they like their hair tight. But I think it looks more natural when it's like loose and effortless. But it depends though. Sometimes I wear them tight, but I find myself wearing more loose coil. Even when I coil my hair very tight, I like it more the next day. But yeah, that's the final look, people. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share, and check Tinashe Hair. Okay, love you guys. Bye.